What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix. The Roblox is not launching from the browser website and how we can fix this error. So let's get started. So the first and foremost step, what we need to do is we just need to go over here and find the Roblox on the desktop. Right click over here and go to show more options, go to the properties. Now from here what we need to do is close this first one, click over here. Now go to show more options, and if you find the first thing, you have to click on the properties, and right now from here click on the open file location. So that's going to take you to another another folder here. So right now you'll be finding the Roblox player beta. Right click on this one once again to go to show more options, go to the properties, and right now we have the location over here. So what we need to do is we just need to copy paste this location. So just go over here, copy paste this location. And once you copy paste this location, you have to close this, close everything over here. And right now go over here, search for registry editor. Just click on this one and go for yes. Right now, as you can see, if you go over here, you just need to go over here. So this is the registry editor, and first one, just go to the HKey classes root and expand this. And right now we need to go over here, search for R. Just search for R. So we'll be getting the Roblox player and expand this. And right now we have over here options called shell expand this. First one, we need to expand the Roblox player, and we'll be getting the shell over here. As you can see, expand this, and we have to open expand. We have the folder named open expand this. So we'll be having a folder named command. So right now select the command and go over here, and we have a folder named default. Right click on this one. And right now we need to change this particular version here. Right, what we need to do is just change this particular version here, remove it and paste the copied location over here like this. And right now we need to first go over here and we need to give an inverted comma at that first. And now we need to move to the last like this, go over here to the last, and over here to the last we have to use this, that is after this particular value. What we need to do is we just need to type slash, then we need to type Roblox player beta. You have to type player beta.exe and put a inverted comma. Then you have to put percentage and 1. Okay, so copy the path, put a inverted comma at the first and last, and write Roblox player beta.exe. Put an inverted comma, then put percentage and 1 and go for OK. And now we need to close this and go over here and try it, and most probably that's gonna work for you guys. And this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.